Howdy, friends! It's a beautiful day in the garden, and I'm so happy to see you. Today, we're gonna go on a field trip. Let's go! We're at the Spring Creek Greenway Nature Center in Spring, Texas. There are trails to walk, lots of nature to see, and an educational center for learning. What should we do first? Let's go inside and explore, and then we'll go on a walk. Do you want to learn about nature with me? Yeah? All right, let's go learn about nature together. Wow, there's so much to see in here. Everything looks interesting. Where should I start? I know, it's time to meet some animals. Let's go. There are a few things we need to keep in mind while we're visiting the animals. One, we need to be quiet so we don't scare them. Two, we need to keep our hands to ourselves. That way we stay safe and the animals stay safe as well. And lastly, we need to be kind because kindness helps us all grow. Come check this out. Good morning. Good morning. Hi there, Mr. Owl. Do you know what these are? These are owls, eastern screech owls to be specific. These two owls are named Chai and Nutmeg. In the wild, owls like Chai and Nutmeg make their nests high up in the trees. So why are Chai and Nutmeg living inside? They live here because they got hurt and they needed help. But now they are safe and taken care of, and we get to learn about them. Thank you, Chai and Nutmeg. I am so happy to learn from you today. What do owls say? Hoo, hoo, hoo. Can you try that? Let's hoo like owls. Hoo, hoo, hoo. That was great. I love to hear owls outside. Do you want to know a fun fact about eastern screech owls? Screech owl feathers look similar to the trees they live in, which helps them blend in. Blending in with your surroundings is called camouflage. Wow, isn't nature cool? Now this is cool. This is a tank that shows us what a swamp is like. Do you know what a swamp is? A swamp is an area of land that has a lot of water in it. In some swamps, the water is deep enough to support fish and other water-loving creatures like turtles and crocodiles. Let's take a look at what's living here. Do you see that big fish? That looks like a largemouth bass to me. And that one looks like a sunfish. There are so many amazing things that live in swamps. I could stay here all day and keep learning. Have you seen this before? This is a common chuckwalla. They are desert lizards. Check it out. They're well known for being able to hide in small crevices, expand their lungs so they wedge themselves in place. That means they can run inside of a small space and hold on really tight, so it's so hard to pull them out that you have to leave them alone. That helps them stay safe from anything chasing them. They are some of the best animals at playing hide and seek. Do you like to play hide and seek? I do. Look over here. And remember, we need to be quiet and kind. This is Gomez. Gomez is a Texas indigo snake. Do you see how long Gomez is? Gomez is over 6 feet long. That's longer than me. Indigo snakes like Gomez live in southern Texas and Mexico. Gomez is living here because he needed a new home where he could grow and help us learn about how awesome Texas indigo snakes are. Do you know what snakes do? Snakes hiss. Can you hiss? Let's go meet some more creatures. Bye, Gomez. I'll see you later. Have you ever seen a toad this big? Wow. This is called the cane toad, and it can grow up to 6 inches, which is bigger than my hand. Cane toads are the largest toad in the world. They can be found in South Texas and Arizona, but primarily in Central and South America. Wow, this exhibit is awesome. Come check it out with me. These are all different kinds of insects, and they've got several microscopes so that you can see them up close. Oh, wow! Look at the colors on this beetle. Let's look under the microscope. Aren't the colors on this beautiful? I love nature. I had so much fun inside the Spring Creek Educational Center. Wow, so much to see. Now, let's go on a walk. Are you ready? Let's go. there's nothing like taking a walk in the woods. I spy something pink. Do you see something pink? It's a pink flower. How many flowers do you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers off of this one stalk. Take a deep breath with me. Breathe in. Hold it. And breathe out. Let's listen to nature. I love listening to nature, and I especially like hearing the birds. Hi, birds. Thank you for singing today. Come appreciate this tree with me. Remember to stop and appreciate the trees when you go out into nature. Trees start off as small seeds. So when you see a tree, remember it took a long time for it to grow from this big to being that big. Remember, growth takes time, so be kind to yourself and take care of yourself so you can grow big and tall just like this tree. Oh, wow. I found a spider. Did you see the sparkling web in the sun? Can you believe a tiny little spider wove all of that? Wow, nature is so cool. We're back in the garden after a great field trip. Wow, we saw so many awesome things today. We saw owls and snakes and fish and even a chuckwalla and so much more. Then we went outside, we took a walk, and we got to appreciate all the beautiful things around us. Thanks for coming with me. Remember, share kindness, patience, and positivity with yourself and each other so that we can all grow together. Until the next time, bye.
Yeah, you're beautiful.